This tutorial review will show you how to change battery icon color in any iPhone. iPhone doesn't provide any built-in feature to change your iPhone battery color. Here's a way you can change your battery color to white and black. To do that, go to your settings app and tap on display and brightnesses, and now here you will get the display option. You can select light color to make your battery color dark. Then you can easily change your desired color to white or black, light or dark. As you can see, the battery color is changing according to display color. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.